Everybody, how are you all? I am fine. I hope you all are also fine. I am Aditya here. Today we shall discuss about fractions, recapitulation part of fractions. Okay. After the recapitulation of fraction, we will discuss decimal fraction. Okay. As you know, what is fraction? Fraction is the part of whole. Here 1 divided by 4, that is the 1 dividing into 4 parts. 1 is here dividing into 4 parts. 1 divided here 4 parts. Fraction, numbers in the form of a by b are known as fraction. Numbers in the form of a by b known as fraction. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 6, 12 by 4. These all are the fraction. In the fraction there are two parts, a and b. A is written here, that is in the top, and b, that part b is in here bottom. A is the numerator and b is here denominator. A is here numerator and b is here denominator. Here numerator is the number of equal parts which have been taken out or which have been left out. That means हम लोगों ने किसी पार्ट में से कितना ले लिया और कितना छोड़ दिया. Here a pizza divided into 8 parts and 1 parts I have taken. You will also take. Okay, 1 parts I have taken. So taken part of pizza will be 1 by 8. Okay, and left part of pizza will be 7 by 8. That is the left part. Okay, left part of pizza will be 1 by 8. Here 7 is the numerator. In case of 1 by 8, 1 will be numerator. Here chocolate, 1 part taken, that means 1 by 4. 1 by 4, 1 is here numerator and 4 is denominator. 4 is denominator. And left part in chocolate, I have taken here 1 part of chocolate, then left will be 3 by 4 part left. Okay, 3 by 4 part left. Okay, here denominator of the total number of equal parts in which whole is divided into. Denominator is the total number of equal parts in which whole is divided into. That means whole how many parts dividing, that will be denominator. Here pizza divided into 8 parts. Okay, that means 8 equal parts. 8 is here denominator. Chocolates divided into 4 parts. That means 4 is here denominator. Fraction, we know that fraction in the form of a by b, where a and b are natural number. But we can't write here whole number, because we can't write in the form of a by b. B should not equal to 0 for fraction. B should not equal to 0. From example we can learn. Here suppose I have 20 rupee. Okay, and I want to divide into 0%. So 20 divided by 0. So each person get how many rupees? We can't say. So practically we can say, we can't write in fraction b is equal to 0. Okay, in higher class we will read about a by b and b will be 0. B tends to 0, b will be 0. That will be value. Okay, we will study about this in grade 12th. Here next topic, that is the golden rule of mathematics. In golden rule of mathematics, that is also related to fraction. Golden rule said that is the total parts divided into a by b, then total part divided by a is equivalent to 1.618. A divided by b will be, that is the bigger part divided by smaller part, will be also equivalent to 1.618. That means total part here C, total parts, that is the C, and bigger parts, that is the total part C, bigger parts A, and a smaller part B. Total part divided by A is equivalent to 1.61. Total part divided by bigger part is equivalent to 1.618, and bigger part divided by smaller part will be also equivalent to 1.618. Golden rule are applying in our day-to-day life, in our human body also. Golden rule are applying in our world. Different types of architecture, different types of beautiful architectures, okay, like Taj, okay, like any buildings, and architecture are using golden rule of mathematics for beautiful architect of building, okay. In Taj, you can visualize here in this picture, there are different sections of Taj, okay, that is the bigger part and one smaller part, and you will find bigger part divided by a smaller part, that will be nearest to 1.618. In our day-to-day life, any architect follow golden rule, that means that architect will be attractive. Here you can say, you can visualize here, that is the B part, this is the B part, and that is the A part, and A by B will be equivalent to 1.618. Here that will be also, that is the A part, that will be B part, okay. This will be A by B will be equivalent to 1.618, okay. Here golden ratio A by B, that is the equivalent to A plus B by A, that is equivalent to 1.61, okay. Taj is followed, that is the golden ratio. So Taj is a beautiful architect in our world. Now we will discuss here, that is the various types of fraction. Now we will discuss here various types of fraction, that is the classification of fraction. In classification of fraction, we know that different types of fraction. First fraction, that is the decimal fraction. We will discuss later on this topic, that is the decimal fraction, and various types of fraction. First is the proper fraction. Proper fraction, that is the in the form of, like examples of proper fraction, okay. 2 by 3, here 2 is less than 5, okay, where denominator is greater than numerator, that will be proper fraction. Improper fraction, that is the numerator is greater than denominator. Improper fraction, improper fraction, okay. You also know about improper fraction. You know about mixed fraction. Third fraction is the mixed fraction. Third fraction is the mixed fractions. Fourth is the vulgar fraction. Fourth is vulgar fraction. Okay. In vulgar fraction, that is the denominator is other than 10, 100, multiple of 10, okay, other than the power of 10, not multiple of 10, you can say power of 10. In decimal fraction, last is the decimal fraction. Decimal fraction, decimal fraction, that is the denominator is in decimal fraction examples, that is 1 by 10, 3 by 100, 15 by 10 to the power 5. These all are the decimal fraction. Here denominator is 10 or power of higher power of 10. Here denominator is 10, here denominator is 100, that is the power of 10. Here denominator is 10 to the power 5. These all types of fraction are called decimal fraction. In next video we will discuss in detail, that is the decimal fraction. Thank you.